You love that scene from Bridesmaids right there. It is so true. Welcome back to Access Daily.
Okay, so when it comes to picking the perfect workout for you, personality type has a lot to do with it. And joining us now is celebrity wellness expert Christine Lusita. How are you?
Hi,
guys.
Christine.
How you doing?
This is interesting how personality can match your food and your workout. I wouldn't think those three would go together.
Right.
Yeah, it's everything. Your personality really influences your behavior and your choices, right? And it also identifies what your natural strengths and tendencies are. So when you know your type, you stop wasting all that time, energy, and effort what doesn't work for you, and you hone in on exactly what's going to get you to the finish line.
It's that should word, right? Like, oh, I should be motivated for this, or I should take this class, or I should eat more of this.
Exactly.
And really, who am I really?
I've got a replacement for that should. Take away the should and use prefer, because when you use the word prefer, it's now an opinion, and it took off all that weight and guilt, and you can just focus on exactly what works for you.
All right.
Well, you've given us some personality types. You can take this quiz, by the way, at home to find out who you are. But tell us about the leader personality.
Oh my gosh. So the leader, they're fast-paced, they're direct, they want the bullet points of everything. They are never going to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, right? So for workouts, think individual and competitive sports. Running, tennis, racquetball, boxing, anywhere they can get in, crush it, and get on out.
All right.
That's their personality type. Think Lady Gaga, right? These are the CEOs. No one, they make their own rules. This is the pilot, not the passenger.
Yeah. Ooh. And what about
food for them?
Yeah. What do they eat?
They are really going to thrive buying everything single, pre-cut, single serving side. This is a typical place. They don't care about what their food looks like. They just want to eat it, make it simple, easy, and convenient. They also will thrive if they're going to cook, which they typically don't. They'll probably get a meal kit. They're going to go right for the slow cooker and the grill for ease and convenience.
Yes. Okay. What about the socializer?
Pretty is productive to this mind, yes. Okay, this is the spirited, really energetic people person. This is the Oprahs of the world, right? You feel so good when you're around this person.
Okay.
So what they'll do for exercise, they really thrive in groups and community. Think team sports, Zumba, tennis, Zumba, dance, hula hoop, anything fun and spirited.
Okay. Okay.
And then for food, for them, all of their foods are always going to look Instagram worthy. We know that type.
Wow.
Yeah, so look how pretty. Yeah.
Winston.
Winston, thank you.
We know this type all too well, and so they're going to do better if they eat 4 to 6 small meals a day that really allow them to do what they love to do best.
Can we
eat
just
and socialize?
Can we just see this real quick? This avocado salsa with the little umbrella.
With the little umbrella.
I mean, come on.
So pretty.
Come on.
What about the supporters?
Okay, these are my traditional, very routine, steady, reliable person. They don't like a lot of change whatsoever. So nothing that veers them off their regular routine. So workouts, they're thinking safe, reliable, yoga, posture training, strength training, things, again, safe.
Okay.
So for food, come on in, Winnie. What do the supporters eat?
So supporters, they're going to really do best and find quick success with just modifying some of their favorite childhood classics and swapping it out for healthier ingredients, because these are the comfort food eaters, right?
Okay.
So they don't want anything trendy or anything. Plus, you want this one as your neighbor because they cook in bulk and they cook for like a week or two ahead.
That's the way to be.
Love
Right.
that.
Okay, so what do you, if you had to guess, what would be our styles? What would you think? Our personalities?
Well, because I do think you're both in charge and you both are the pilot and not the passenger, I'm going to guess leaders. Right, I kind of already...
I did the little quiz on there, and it said leader. It is true that I'm not great in the kitchen. I just want it quick and easy, and I want to work out quick and get out.
What do you think I am?
You are you're the beautiful one, looking so sexy with your avocado with the thing in it. The umbrella?
No, apparently it's also the leader. I don't know. Two leaders will
Quickly,
take
we
it.
forgot the planner.
Okay,
Who's
the planner. Oh my gosh, they're the analytical, self-proclaimed perfectionists. They're super disciplined. Show me the data is the one on this. And so they're going to do great with workouts that ask them to do precision and control. Think Pilates, Tabata, HIIT, and for food, look, everything for them to be successful.
exciting.
Of course, they're
I know, but
boring.
they're fun. Christine,
Yes.
you've done it again, my love. You really have. Guys, you need to get her book and check out her website. Really good stuff, information.
Thank you.
Good to
The
see you.
book's on Amazon.
Okay, good.
Boom.
Check on Amazon.